Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, Musalia Mudavadi, says Kenya's foreign policy has shown some positive changes. Mudavadi pointed out that Kenya's trade balance recorded a deficit of $847.6 million in September compared to the $1 billion deficit in August. Mudavadi, who spoke at Chatham House, London, also explained Kenya's role in regional peace and security.
Our foreign policy imperative is to facilitate Kenya's transformation into a competitive export-led economy, enhance regional integration, and widen participation in both domestic and international trade. Under the guiding bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the payoff is beginning to show. Kenya's trade balance recorded a deficit of $847.6 million in September 2023, compared with a deficit of $1 billion in the previous month of August.
Let's head to the Senate, where the Health Committee has questioned the National Health Insurance